As an agent leveraging Total Expert, one of the print marketing resources that you likely have available to you in the platform is called a property detail infographic. And the way you would access this resource is on the left-hand navigation of the platform under print marketing. If you click that drop down and select create new, this is going to pull up your print marketing library. Now, I personally like to go ahead and just type in the first couple letters of the word. So for infographic, I'm going to type in info. And then what you're going to see is all the different infographics that you have available to you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and just select one of our basic ones right here. So in the actions drop down, I'm going to press select. And this is what's going to pull up. It's going to be your print marketing creator, and you'll see there's step 1 and step 2. So in step 1, we first want to select ourselves as the agent, and then also our lender partner that we're going to want to co-brand this resource with. And then for step 2, you can also search by the MLS number. So because I'm not an agent, generally, if you are in here and you select yourself, your MLS listings are going to populate, but because I'm not an agent, those aren't going to populate for me. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to type in a MLS number, and this is going to populate the listing right here. Then I can go ahead and press customize and publish. Now, when I'm in here, I can now start to edit this specific infographic. So you're going to notice that there's many different parts of this. First off, I can go ahead and I can actually double click and I can change an image if I wanted to. But actually, I'm going to keep that because that's a pretty picture of the house to start with. You can also customize some of the text, right? So maybe instead of right here, I want to actually put your dream home. I can also edit some copy here in the body paragraph. And then what you're going to do is you're actually going to see that there is this fun little piece down here that allows you to edit and pick different points of interest around this property. So for example, for this property, it is picking maybe a shopping mall, a cool restaurant nearby, and then maybe a park nearby the house as well. But again, you have the option to go ahead and actually change these out. So for example, if I didn't want to do this, I could click this view results button, and that's actually going to give me a few other options. So maybe I want to do this one right here, and that'll change that right there for me. Could also do the same for the other two as well. And you can also change the radius, things like that. Now there's other options. You can swap with a different type of key point. So you could do amusement parks, aquariums, art galleries, movie theaters. There's many different opportunities here. Cafes, right? So if you want to change it out to be more custom to your buyer, you can do that. But really cool way to customize and create a personalized flyer for your buyers and really highlight what's around this specific property. So a really, really cool tool that you have available to you in Total Expert. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and save that draft and then go ahead and publish. Wonderful. Now that I have published this, I can go ahead and press actions, and I can actually generate this as a PDF if I want to, and then print this off. So again, right here, it is just loading into that PDF style. Then from here, I can go ahead and download, and I can go ahead and share this out. So that is how you would create an infographic. Really cool tool for you as an agent, and hopefully you enjoy these.